Hello and welcome to Deck Builders San Jose, where we talk all things outdoor living. I'm your host from Tough Deck Builders San Jose, and today we're going to tackle a question almost every homeowner asks before starting a new deck. Should you go with wood or composite, and what actually lasts in your backyard? When you start planning a new deck or a full backyard renovation, it's easy to focus on color charts and photos, but the real decision is about how much maintenance you want, how long you plan to stay in the home, and how your deck will handle sun, rain, and regular use over time. So let's walk through the basics in simple terms, the same way we explain it to clients at the kitchen table. Let's start with wood decks. Traditional wood, like pressure-treated lumber, has been used for decades. It's usually cheaper at the beginning, and many people like the natural grain and feel under bare feet. But wood is still a natural material. It moves, it can crack, and it needs ongoing care. That means cleaning, sealing, and sometimes sanding to keep it from splintering or turning gray faster than you'd like. If you enjoy that hands-on maintenance or don't mind hiring someone regularly, wood can still be a solid option. Now let's look at composite decking. Composite boards are made from a mix of materials designed to handle weather exposure and heavy use, with less day-to-day work from you. Composite decking materials like Trex are built to resist fading, staining, and surface wear better than most common wood options. You still want to keep them clean, but you're not restaining every couple of years, and you're far less likely to deal with splinters. For many homeowners who are busy with work and family, that lower maintenance is the main reason they choose composite. So how do you decide between the two? One way is to think about time. If you only plan to stay in your home a few more years, a well-built wood deck might make sense as a shorter-term solution. If you see yourself in the home for 10 or 20 years, a composite deck can pay off because you're not constantly spending time and money on sealing, repairs, and board replacement. Another angle is how you'll use the deck. High-traffic spaces, stairs, and areas near pools or outdoor kitchens often benefit from composite because it stays more stable under heavy use. You should also think about the whole outdoor living picture. Are you planning to add a pergola, connect the deck to a patio, or maybe build an outdoor kitchen later? Your material choice needs to line up with those future plans, so everything ties together and still looks and feels solid years from now. A good deck building company will help you plan the structure, railings, and framing so that upgrades like sunrooms or covered spaces can be added without starting over from scratch. Safety and structure always come first. No matter which surface you choose, the framing underneath has to be built right. That means proper footings, solid beams, correct fasteners, and railings that meet code and feel sturdy when you lean on them. A beautiful deck surface on a weak frame is a bad investment, whether it's wood or composite. When you talk with deck builders near you, ask specific questions about structure, not just what kind of boards they're using. You can reach our team at 408-831-7954 or visit toughdeckbuilderssanjose.com if you'd like help comparing materials or planning your outdoor living project. We work with homeowners across the San Jose area to design decks, patios, and other outdoor spaces that match how they actually live, not just how the photos look. As you think through your options, remember this simple rule. Pick the material that matches your patience for maintenance and your long-term plans for the home. Wood can be a good choice if you're comfortable with regular upkeep and you like the natural character. Composite can be a better choice if you want a clean, consistent look with less work over time. Either way, a well-built structure from a trusted deck building company is what makes that surface last. Thanks for listening to Deck Builder San Jose. If you found this helpful, share it with someone in your life who's thinking about a new deck or backyard renovation. And when you're ready to talk through your own project, Tough Deck Builder San Jose is here to help you build something solid, safe, and built to last.